the Caliph of Rasul, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq.
Dawateislami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned booklet of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, unparalleled devotee, consisting of 60 pages, states on page 4, the leader of the believers, Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, is that companion who was the first to testify to the prophethood of the beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam among all the people. He radiyallahu ta'ala anhu possesses noble virtues and excellences to such a great extent that, leaving the prophets alayhimus salam, he is the greatest and most highly ranked of all mankind.
The Caliph of Rasul, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
I must strive to rectify myself and the people of the whole world.
Inshallah Azza wa Jal.